7 red flags your body shows when you don't get the nutrients it needs. Have you ever noticed strange changes in your body, like mouth sores that don't seem to heal, nails that have become brittle, or skin that feels unusually dry? Many people just shrug off these small signs as everyday problems. But in reality, your body might be sending you urgent messages. These little red flags are often warnings that you may be lacking essential nutrients. Ignoring them can lead to bigger health problems over time. So today, let us uncover 7 red flags your body shows when you don't get the nutrients it needs. And more importantly, how to fix them naturally with the right diet. 1. Mouth ulcers and cracks in the corners of your lips. If you keep getting painful sores inside your mouth or cracks at the corners of your lips, it could be more than just stress or dehydration. Research shows that these are often linked to a deficiency in iron, zinc, or B vitamins, especially B2, B3, and B12. Iron helps transport oxygen in your blood, while B vitamins are essential for healthy skin and tissue repair. Without them, your body struggles to heal small wounds, leading to recurring sores. The solution: add foods like spinach, lentils, pumpkin seeds, eggs, and poultry to your meals. If you're vegetarian, beans and fortified cereals are great choices. 2. Brittle or damaged nails. Your nails are like mirrors of your inner health. If your nails break easily, have vertical ridges, or show white spots, you may be low in biotin, vitamin B7, iron, or protein. Studies have found that brittle nails are one of the earliest signs of nutrient imbalances. Iron deficiency, in particular, can cause spoon-shaped nails that curve upwards. The solution: eat more nuts, seeds, whole grains, fish, and eggs. For vegetarians, chickpeas and sunflower seeds are excellent sources of biotin and protein. 3. Hair loss and thinning hair. Losing a few strands of hair daily is normal, but excessive shedding is a clear red flag. Hair loss is strongly linked to deficiencies in iron, zinc, protein, and vitamin D. Research has shown that low vitamin D disrupts the hair follicle cycle, leading to thinning and early hair fall. The solution: expose yourself to sunlight for at least 20 minutes daily, and eat salmon, mushrooms, beans, and fortified milk. For iron, include red meat, lentils, and leafy greens in your diet. For unexplained fatigue and weakness. Feeling tired all the time, even after a full night's sleep, might not always be about stress or poor sleep. A common underlying cause is iron deficiency anemia. Without enough iron, your body can't produce enough hemoglobin, which means your cells don't get enough oxygen, leaving you exhausted. Low levels of vitamin B12 and folate can also cause fatigue and dizziness. The solution: add iron-rich foods like red meat, spinach, quinoa, and fortified cereals to your diet. If you are vegetarian, pair plant-based iron sources with vitamin C, like oranges or tomatoes, to boost absorption. 5. Dry, flaky skin and slow-healing wounds. If your skin feels unusually dry, cracked, or wounds take longer to heal, your body could be lacking vitamin C, vitamin A, or essential fatty acids like omega-3. Vitamin C is crucial for collagen production, which keeps skin elastic and healthy. Without it, your skin becomes dry and fragile. Omega-3 fats also prevent inflammation and keep your skin hydrated. The solution: eat foods rich in vitamin C, like oranges, kiwi, strawberries, and bell peppers. Add fatty fish, like salmon or sardines, or plant sources like flax seeds and walnuts, to your diet for omega-3 south. 6. Frequent canker, sores, or bleeding gums. Bleeding gums while brushing or frequent canker sores may signal a vitamin C deficiency. Vitamin C is essential not only for your skin, but also for strong gums and teeth. A lack of it makes your gums weak and prone to infections. Historically, sailors with scurvy caused by vitamin C deficiencies suffered from severe gum, bleeding, and tooth loss. The solution: fresh citrus fruits, papaya, guava, and even broccoli can help replenish your vitamin C levels quickly. 7. Poor night vision and frequent eye irritation. Do you find it hard to see clearly in low light or experience dry, itchy eyes? This could point to a deficiency in vitamin A. Vitamin A is essential for healthy eyesight, and without it, your eyes struggle to adapt in the dark. In extreme cases, deficiency can even lead to night blindness. The solution: add carrots, sweet potatoes, pumpkin, spinach, and eggs to your meals to support eye health naturally. Your body is incredibly intelligent. It gives you small warning signs long before serious problems develop. Mouth ulcers, brittle nails, hair loss, dry skin, fatigue, bleeding gums, and poor vision are all signals that you may not be giving your body what it needs. The good news is that most of these issues can be corrected by making simple changes to your diet and lifestyle. Instead of relying solely on supplements, focus on eating a balanced, nutrient-rich diet filled with fruits, vegetables, whole grains, lean proteins, and healthy fats. Remember, your body speaks through symptoms. Don't ignore them. Listen to these red flags, act early, and you'll be amazed at how quickly your health transforms.